Mike and I are putting these floor joists in. We'll get them finished up and then we'll get the plywood out then. You can see in here we got 2x6 rim joists and proper joists. And then we put these 1x purlins on the outside. The idea is this purlin needs to go, they need to go all the way up, and I want them all to be the same thickness. But that is not thick enough to span this total run for the weight of the floor. So we put the thicker ones on the inside, hanger the joists off that, the plywood will span it. It's a little bit janky, and some dumbass made this like 13 foot by, I think it's like 8'3", so it's horrible for cutting plywood. We're gonna wind up throwing out about 2 sheets worth of scraps, but we'll get her done. Let's go cut some plywood. Crunch. That one looks like I bit it off. Well, we're back here working on the shed. It is going to be a gorgeous day out today. I don't know. Looks kind of doom and gloom today and a little bit windy, but it's supposed to be 67 degrees this afternoon. I am on my way to the gym because your boy goes to the gym. George and Mike got some free time today, so they're going to come work on the shed. I'm going to leave you guys with them. So we're going to try and get a roof on this thing and maybe start some of the shakes. I'm taking a Jeep to the gym, and then I'm coming back here grabbing a trailer, and I'm headed to Eau Claire. You could probably put that together. Stay tuned.